Changing the curriculum. As the Texas State Board of Education implements new state standards, school districts must evaluate and change curriculum in order to ensure that appropriate Texas essential knowledge and skills are taught at each grade level. New mathematics TEKS were adopted in April 2012 and are required to be implemented during the 2014-2015 school year. Although this is initially frustrating to educators, it is imperative to align district curriculum to the new TEKS. New mathematics curriculum will need to be adopted district-wide. The school district has defined a process for documenting and aligning the district curriculum in accordance with the State Board of Education's curriculum standards, known as the Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills. Part of this process is securing new instructional materials for mathematics in grades K through 12, including new textbook series adoption. Committee members that consisted of teachers, administrators, instructional coaches, and the department heads were a part of the committee. The final materials were selected and approved by school board and were ordered for the 2014-15 school year. The same committee members revamped the district scope and sequence for mathematics instruction that was aligned with the newest instructional materials. This preparation started the spring of 2013-2014 school year. District-wide professional development begun in August 2014 to ensure that all district math teachers and administrators are trained on new curriculum and the TEKS. It is imperative that all grade level TEKS are taught at the designated grade level in order to prepare students for the rigor of the STAR State Assessment. Autonomy is encouraged and celebrated in the district. It is the classroom level where teachers craft the engaging lessons that they will present in the TEKS, manner that it best meets the needs of their students. Who better than to ask than a math teacher? They are very important to the successful rollout of the new curriculum. As the instructional leader on the campus, it is the building principal's responsibility to ensure that implementation and teaching of the new mathematics curriculum occurs. The building principal and assistant principals will attend all required district professional development. This will assist them with appraisal tools like PDOS reports and classroom walkthroughs. This training will help them understand teacher lesson plans, notes from grade level curriculum planning meetings, and agendas, as well as notes from professional learning committees. The theoretical underpinnings of this process are driven by attention to human involvement. According to Douglas Reeves, 2009, change leaders in schools know that we engage not only in the work of education, but also in complex enterprise of people, with all the human drama that accompanies personal pride and identity. Math teachers who have completely taught the previous math TEKS using well-established and much-loved lessons and resources may be fearful of this change and resistance to the new curriculum, instructional strategy, and district expectations. This is why we turn to Michael Fullen. He points out that effective leaders do not concentrate all of their attention on performance standards. Rather, they build capacity with their group in order to effect lasting and systematic change. In order to ensure that teachers' voices are included, the district will utilize Concerns-Based Adoption Model CBAM tool in order to gauge teachers' comfort levels and concerns regarding this change process, and then will ensure that they are providing the appropriate support and professional development for the program fidelity and success. The district math personnel will analyze their current curriculum document, instructional strategies, and resources in order to determine if they are aligned to the new math TEKS, including the increased level of rigor required to ensure student understanding and mastery. By analyzing data from current curriculum and comparing it to expected outcomes from the new TEKS, one can determine if change is necessary. The committee would then write new curriculum documents, including a scope and sequence, suggestive activities list, and reestablish the district benchmark calendar. The CBAM tool will prove useful to ascertain teachers' level of awareness concerning the revised state standards, as well as their concerns regarding the change to the standards and the district curriculum. Using this information, the district math department would then create district-wide professional development to educate teachers and address those concerns appropriately. The building principal is ultimately responsible for the success of this change. They should never feel alone because of the many data points available to them. The principal, district instructional coaches, and teachers would be valued stakeholders to help ascertain the success of the new curriculum rollout. When these team members analyze walkthrough and observation information, benchmark data set points throughout the school year, as well as state results at the end of the year, they will be able to adjust the plan to best fit the needs of the students. Education is a puzzle, and it takes all to make the pieces fit. We are not in the business of answering state assessment standards. We are in the business of providing an enriching classroom environment that is conducive to student engagement and achievement. We will do this as a district by understanding our teachers' feelings and providing supports to set them up for the most success possible.